Hello, everyone. Welcome to Daily Dialogue, the podcast where we talk about real life in simple English. I'm Emma.
And I'm Mark. And today I am a very lucky man because I finally learned how to buy food that isn't frozen pizza.
Today we are talking about the grocery store. Mark and I went shopping together this morning, and let's just say Mark needed some help.
Hey, I did okay. But you're right, Emma. It's actually more complicated than it looks. My morning was a mess. I woke up late, I lost my keys, and I was so hungry.
Oh no. Well, that is the worst. Time to go to the grocery store. You're going to want to buy everything. That is the first lesson for our listeners. Never go grocery shopping when you are hungry.
Why not? Everything looked amazing. I wanted to buy the whole store. I usually just walk through the aisles and look for things that look delicious.
It is mistake number 1. If you don't have a list, you forget the basics, like milk, and you buy 5 bags of potato chips instead.
Oh, that's smart. I never thought of that. I'll grab this bunch of bananas. What's next on the list?
The produce section is where you find fresh fruits and vegetables. Here is a tip. Buy some bananas that are yellow and 1 or 2 that are still a little green. That way they aren't all ripe at the same time.
The bakery. My favorite smell in the world. It smells like a hug. Should we get the white bread or the whole wheat?
I love the bakery. It smells amazing. Today we chose whole wheat bread because it's healthier. I'm trying to help Mark be a healthy adult.
Why is the milk always in the very back? It's a long walk. Those store owners are clever. I saw the cookies and they were literally calling my name. Mark, buy us.
Wait, Mark, look at this juice. It is expired. E-X-P-I-R-E-D. It means the date on the bottle is in the past. It might be sour. You must always check the expiration date.
Expired? I learned a new word today. I realized that's why my milk at home tasted like old socks last week. I never checked the date.
We are at the checkout counter now. Mark, next time, please bring your own reusable bags. It's better for the planet.
Wait, I forgot the most important thing. Coffee. I am a monster without it in the morning. Okay, I got it. Let's go pay.
I think the lesson is plan before you go. Have a list, check your dates, and don't shop while you're hungry. See you next time on Daily Dialogue.
I feel like a real adult now. My food cost $45 and my frozen pizzas usually cost more than that. I'm going home to make a healthy sandwich. Thanks for the help, Emma.
Bye, everyone.